Yebo, bayi World Cup. Isidingo sokuthi bebizwe besikuphi? Besikuphi isidingo se-preliminary squad le yakhona? Ngoba ayikho nama-friendly match edlaliwe before kumenyezelwe i-final squad. Besikuphi isidingo? Hayi, lana-ke uhlelo lwabo angilazi belithini, bahlulekile kukho. Protect isithunzi sabadlali nje-ke phela. Hawu, sungazizwa kanjani nje? Kungcono umuntu ongabizwanga ngasekuqaleni kunomuntu uzobizwa uthi uyezwa futhi ubizelwe ungabizwa. Ngoba phela kusekuthi mhlampe-ke nidlalile wabheda noma wangadlala ngendlela ukhoshi athanda ngayo kulo ma-friendly behleliwe. Akaze kuhlelwe lutho. Kwamenyezelwa nje. Uma sekumenyezelwe sekuyamenyezelwa futhi. Kudlaliwe ngala majita, kudlaliwe nje ngawo.
So these are the players that were omitted from the final 26-man squad. Brendan Petersen, Thabiso Monyane, Brooklyn Poggenbole, Lebogang Maboye, Thapelo Morena, and Tito Maswanganyi. It's not nice go kabakara group yekwe. But I hope bakasowe moya. They will continue fighting and working very hard. When the opportunity presents itself next time, maybe batla bakhetha.
Another own goal by Safa. Another own goal. Like, there's no justification for this. There's no justification for what Safa did to our brothers. Like, Safa, was it necessary for the unselected players to be with the selected players today? Like, there was no way that you can tell those players that they were not selected from yesterday or even today in the morning. For them just to come to the Union building for such embarrassment of watching the proceedings going through a window. And I'm being informed also they need to still go with the selected players back to camp with their bus and maybe sleep there. I don't know. You don't consider the mental health and the emotions of the players. Now the players have to be attacked to the whole media because of that thing. Could have just simply told the players from yesterday that, guys, you unfortunately are not part of the squad. Unfortunately, you're not part of the squad. Like, there was no, this thing was just unnecessary, man.
11 defenders. We are taking 11 defenders to the World Cup. That only means one thing. We are going there to defend for our lives. I think we're definitely going to see Hugo Broos experimenting with the back five, whether it's 3-5-2, 3-4-3. I'm not sure how he's going to go about that. But with that many fullbacks, we are definitely going to be playing the back five most of those games. Now, let's analyze the strengths of the teams in our group. I think with South Korea, they have the pace. Czechia, they have the height. They have the height over us without a doubt. So I'm thinking we're going to have a lot of numbers in the midfield. That's the only way that I would know to, neutralize a team that has a lot of tall players. Just make sure that whatever space that we found ourselves in, we at least have a one-man advantage over the opposition. And then when we look at Mexico, I've not really analyzed Mexico to that extent, but I stand to be corrected. They also might have more pace compared to us. So the back five could work. The downside, however, is that I really do not want us to compromise heavily on our attack, because as much as we want to defend and be disciplined at the back, because let's be honest, a good defense will win you a game, or better yet, get you a draw. And in knockout football, that is enough. But I don't want us to compromise on their creativity. I really want us to also, I don't know how, have the discipline to be very, very structured defensively, but also push the numbers forward for more creativity and actually start the creative players as well. So guys, we've crashed out about the players we thought were going to go, the players that are going. What do you think is the best tactical strategy for Hugo Broos with the current players that are going?
Defenders, million defenders. Ayonza nama defender 11 kubafana bafana. Ayonza nama defender 11. Kushuthi wena uyaproject uyasitshela njengamanje i-country route no bafethu mina lapha ngiyo defender. Angiyini go attack your defender, ama defender nqandi nqwaba ama defender for what? For what? Uzolanda ucross la usenza ilimi ufuna singenzi lama video so wenza. Ulanda ucross la usenza ilimi. Siyazi ngeke odlala. Bungeke ulande ubalisa balisa ship lesa uKabini buye ulanda uKabini noModiba ulande noCross 3 left backs uyasitshela vele lapho ukuthi lo uyohlala lapha ebenchini angeke azadlale ngisho ukudlala ucathi sidom.
Although sikhala sibaningi ngendaba kaPeterson because of it's not only Kaizer Chiefs supporters esikhala ngaleyo nto, but it's football supporters as a whole. The country nje besimbona Peterson how he was performing, but somehow we also have to consider that bekungenzeka uPeterson angadlali because of in most cases kuye kudlale the first goalkeeper and kuma country amaninzi sibonile abo Martinez Argentina whereby Martinez sometimes will play the first game until the last game nje goalkeeper as long goalkeeper clinical loyo number 1 kuleyo team. In most cases uthola ukuthi nguye ke odlala i-tournament yonke, so we've been seeing that kuma World Cup nakuma tournaments. It's not that ukuthi sizokhala kakhulu but yabona that is shocking yendaba yokuthi 11 defenders. I think if ever sizokhala ngala 11 defenders, I think we geje kula kwesa squad sakhe kula preliminary squad yakhe yokuselecta wona lama play yabona no 11 defenders to me indenza nibene fear yokuthi how are we going to attack, because of you look at the attackers zethu we're still going to depend kula trio ye Orlando Pirates le ka Muremi no Rile as well as Apolis, but somehow mina I still feel like ukuthi sizodlala enye game esakhe sayidlala ne Cameroon whereby we played 6 defenders. We might see a game enjalo kakhulu. We will attack less than, we will defend less. We'll defend more than attacking, actually. That's what I'm trying to say. So we will play a very defensive football. We'll play a very defensive football. I'm very worried. It will be a surprise if ever Sibona attack ningi with team yethu, because of one of my defenders are 11. Nama midfielders are 4, because of my midfielders I believe what was our sebenzisa as central defenders, and then pressing my wings. So nayo mna from my side ngekho happy selection, but all the best to the boys. We will support them, we are behind them. Sizothini we don't know ukuthi maybe iplan kacoach yokudlala ithini, but maningi lama defenders than any other teams engingazibona ezikhiphe isquad zawo.
Guys, kanti waye umadala uma akhipha announcer isquad sakhe angasiniki information ayoyidlala. 11 defenders guys. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 defenders. Uyo defender no madala. 11 guys. Kanti uzo defender lapha? Hayi man. Kwathakalani lana. And whoever that came idea ukuthi benze players announcement ba involve even ama-plus engeke baze bahambe nawo. Wrong. Whoever ozela le idea leya yokuletha awotito azi ukuthi angeke baze bahambe wrong, yokuletha aboPeters knowing very well abo Mabowe wrong guys, wrong. Ngabe nje bavele ba-announce abayako baya lapha babiza babenzela ilokhu njani nibiza ni-farewell yini ceremony, but uku-announce ubabizile guys. Manje kumele bapheke izinto zabo basuke ecampini balenda izinto zabo bele ekhaya. What's that guys? Hayi man, you can do better as a country man, you can do better man. Mara mina ngiyayibona leyo wena nje ukuthi information odlala phana ngiconfirm guys 11 nina 11 okay I must take out 3 information like ithini information amadala man ngiyahlubi understand or kumele ukora bombokazi labo obo imi kumele ukore bona abo olwethu ukora bona labo mdawo khoza kwenze bafuthi ukugqolisa emuva bese swini nje. Oh I shame abo young abo Hong Kong abo bozenzela ngathi angeke and it's funny ukuthi abafundi emaphutheni abo ku-AFCON abafundi udefender aku-AFCON benze zona lezi zaphuma.
Yazi bafethu lana kule issue yama-defender le yama-defender bhaya bafethu siyazi ukuthi Hugo Broos udlala uhlobo lebhola right. Okay, I think kuna 9 ama-defender la ne. Can we eliminate one? Because I know ukuthi he won't be playing the defensive role that much. Ku-11 uyovela ngathi udlala, it's either in the middle field or uyovela ngathi udlala i-right wing, which is usibelebele loyo should nice na 8 ne. Another thing which asikho sure ngayo ukuthi uOpro Modiba, cause ngizwe ngathi unokuthintekanyana but hopefully uzoba grand. So ngale side maybe uzodlala those games, uzocala if like injury yakhe ayikho that yabona. Then kulama players lawo abuya like Orkanti nan. I think Hugo Prosta is trying to direct our next Bafana coach if nakhona izabi khona, cause last thing ngizwe ngathi what Hugo Prosta reapply the foot for coming back nan. But yeah, bafethu uzama ukudirector, cause I think ama defenders nayo eMzansi sebabadala. Like you see abusibisi kungasikudala yachaya indaba ba retire bahenga ama boots. So uzamile ukuthi okay Machida sihamba ngale pathway yabona nan. Then lezi ezinye bafethu besizi expectile man. There's nothing wow. I think the defense hero la kahlahle kenzeke izinto ezibhaya.
Yo, Bafethu, I'm so excited. I can't wait for the FIFA World Cup. Hugo Broos, for the first time, he has made justice for South African football, Bafethu. I'm really happy that he had to include Bradley Cross, Bafethu, to balance the occasion. So it's 8 Mamelodi Sundowns players, 8 Orlando Pirates players, and also 1 Kaizer Chiefs player, Bafethu, to balance the occasion. These are the 3 best teams in South Africa, 3 big teams in South Africa. They deserve to be represented at the World Cup, Bafethu. So I'm just happy ukuthi lento leyo ukuthi solo Bafethu ayiphele manje. Let's support each other. Let's support Bafana Bafethu. After the FIFA World Cup, then banter will continue. But for now, let's rally together behind the boys and let's hope they make us proud.
Guys, nakbelieve Khoresma South African are united. Are united because not that we had so many opportunities to actually go to the World Cup, but we are getting the opportunity, and the players that we are actually believing in, they will make a difference in the World Cup. We are not advocating for them. Brazil kuretsi Neymar, Argentina kuretsi well, they didn't have to fight for Messi. Portugal fought for Cristiano, even though Madala or Mara. I mean, the people fought for their own people. Luna wailisa lonele batho ba lona. Wailisa kurele Lodge, wailisa kurele Nkota, wailisa kurele Mbule. Like wailisa balwanile. Wailisa balwanile, so tshwantse control ke Hugo Boss. Because Hugo Boss aymenyana fede o manager team wa coach amara le rona we have a say ke team ya South Africa siya Hugo Boss. Guys, come on, lwanelang bafethu arilwaneng bafethu. Vilakazi mfundo, like why don't na flavor ya rona in the World Cup? Tshwantse gore re dlale formal football, re dlale EPL soccer, re dlala vele bolo emnati. We play interesting football, and that's how it is. That's how it's been. That's how it needs to be maintained. Guys, fight for your country. South Africa is going to the World Cup. We're also going to knockout stage because you guys are not fighting for your own fucking people. Yes, sis.